Here it is. That's a good one. Booyah! We did it! Ha-ha! We're this close to getting the car ready for paint. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with the 2003 Mercedes E320 station wagon that's all beat up on the front. In this video, haha, I'm going to teach myself how to weld. Never done it before. I have the directions. I've watched some YouTube videos, so I am a certified YouTube welder. What we're going to do today is finish our body reconstruction on this wagon. It took a hit right on the front. I have the new, what I'm calling the headlight eyebrow, and we're going to weld it to the frame, weld it to what's left of the fender right here, and then we're going to drive it up to the paint shop and get her looking just as good as she looked the day she came off of the showroom. That is a backbone to something that got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead. Please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to... What are you going to say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
All right, we have the air conditioner going. We have a fender, the old fender. We have the old eyebrow, and I've kind of cleaned off most of the paint. I have my little grounding point right here. Basically, this is just going to hold this piece on. Okay, so this, I'm not anticipating greatness and perfection. All I want to do is like to weld this onto here. Okay. It would be a spot weld from my research, so I'm going to call that one little piece right there the hole. We have my Chicago electric welder on, minimum power, 2 wire feed speed. I have to close my eyes because they gave you this stupid hood that doesn't even really work. So I'm just going to hold this and close my eyes and pray for something to happen amazing. Okay, so basically, this is what I'm going to do. Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Well, that didn't work out too well, did it? Okay. Let's do it again. Maybe this isn't clean enough. Maybe that's it. Here we go. Oh. Okay, that kind of worked right there. A little bit. Let's do it again. Well, my line doesn't want to come out very well, does it? Woo! That's a hot mess. Okay. Let's try it one more time. We're just going to put it right here in the hole. And it's holding it perfect. I'm grounded. Everything should be good. There it is. Okay, come on now, baby. Here it is. That's a good one. I could just tell by looking at it. Look at that! We kind of welded, except we blew a hole through it. So that was a little bit too long. Here we go. We're going to do it again. We're going to go right in here. So that was about 2 seconds. And look. Okay, we're getting there. Let's do one other one. That was a good one. I think. Yep. So we're getting good. What's it called? Penetration? It's holding it together. And I'm going to call that a win. So we're now ready to weld like a professional. We have everything properly grounded. We have everything properly wiped clean. There's no paint or anything where I'm trying to go. Ha-ha! And we're just going to go for it. Worst comes to worst, I can just screw it in. Who knows? But I do have a hole right here that I need to fill. So let's just kind of give it a 1, 2, 3. Woo, that was hot. Did it work? I don't know. I had to close my eyes, so I don't really know what happened. Now, should I do some back here too? I probably should. Just to see what's going to happen. Okay, you ready? I think we made a weld. I think we did. Let's do a little bit right here to see what kind of happens. That was a good one. Ooh, it stinks. I think it's working. I really do. Of course, we have the battery out of the car. Let's do another one. I think that's going to be perfect. Am I going through? I'm not blowing through. I'm not going to show you because I don't want anybody to get embarrassed. Because I'm such an excellent welder. I'm really not. Okay, let's do another one. Maybe right there. Okay, let's see how we did. Now I put the fender on so I could kind of see where it needs to go up here. And then I'll trim the actual fender part to fit. That's on there, folks. Booyah! We did it! Okay, so, hallelujah. Now, I'm going to get this other piece kind of attached. Then we'll trim this so it kind of fits into here. I got to massage it right there a little bit because it's hitting the fender. And you're never going to see it because the fender covers it up. So I think this is going to be huge. This is huge, baby! Okay, it's the end of the day. My new schedule says that I need to confer with my assistant mechanic right here on every aspect of this rebuild. I've made a discovery. Yeah, when Lola isn't out here, the duck doesn't bother me so much. When the two are out here, it becomes a competition to get my attention, and they both drive me crazy. So I'm just going to have one pet out here, I think, from here on out. But I want you to take a special, maybe not so special attention to what's going on right here. This is the eyebrow, and I want to show you it's not going anywhere, okay? We've done the weld. We've added some JB weld here, and I went ahead and got a little bracket, and I went and riveted this with some JB weld underneath it together. It's not going anywhere, okay? And I've used the fender to come up with my line for how high this needs to go. I have to connect this back piece that's attached to the car to this piece somehow, somewhere, sometime. I'm not going to do it right now because I want to get this car to paint. I may never do it because this is really solid, okay? This is really solid. So what I would like to do now is kind of test fit. Well, let me put all of this back, okay? We've moved all of this just to get everything, give me access to right here. So we'll put the radiator, the condenser back. I know it's beat up, it's bent, it's still holding pressure and everything's fine. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now because I just wanna get this car into paint. So we'll get this back together, put this piece back on, get the cross piece back, and then we'll put the headlight in because I think we're this close to getting the car ready for paint. Hopefully. All right, you want to see perfection? Don't look this way. Actually, this is pretty doggone good. I'm a sweaty mess. I'm sorry. It's still 100 degrees. It's 8 o'clock at night, and I've got a little bitty air conditioning unit here in the window and the worst garage in the history of garages. But how much better does this look? Okay, don't look, because remember, this is the part that I glued right here and here. All four of these little tabs, they are loose, okay? Fortunately, I've had a company contact me. They provide bumpers, and so they are going to provide me with a bumper for this car that is painted already. So stay tuned for that. I'll tell you where you can get bumpers painted to match your car. Cracky's here. He's happy as can be. But this is beautiful. I cannot latch this because my pull inside of the car is actually broken. I have to order a new little red door pull, okay? But this is what she looks like. I still have some fine tuning to do. We have to put the bolts on at the back part of the bumper. We have to put the underneath engine cover on. But look at this. This looks so good. I love it. Come here, Quack. Come here. Quack, 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 quack. You don't know what that is. Anyway, okay. I do need an emblem, which is great. And then the car gets painted. This gap is a little wider than I would want. We do have this sticks out just a skosh. We can push this in. Like I said, there's a lot of fine tuning to do, but this, I think, is really, really looking good. Maybe the hood can come over this way. This looks to be a little bit off. And if I look at this, yeah, there is a little bit of fine tuning. But for me doing it, I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, we're wrapping up the project. I apologize, I got started without you. Benzo wanted to get to work early this morning, so we started. Anyway, this is the inner wheel well. Remember, the other one was in two pieces. So we have the old one to remove right here, and then we have the engine cover, the bottom engine cover, so we'll get that put on. And then I think we're done. All right, I think after that, we will be done. Are you tired of working on this car? Because I am. Is that a yes? I think that's a yes. Somebody's very happy. Well, two people, well, one person and one duck, are very happy that we have completed this project. We still have to get a light bulb for this marker right here. We have this fender on. We have this door on. We will attach the mirror after it gets painted, or before it gets painted, maybe before. And I gotta say, door gaps are looking good. I got the bumper that's working really, really well. Hush. I've got the bumper. Hush. Hush. Look at this garage. Look, and yes, of course, for everybody asking, this is the '69 Mercedes, and this is what this car has done to me. Look at this. It's the worst garage in the world. This is the best car in the world, and I'm loving the headlights. I got to tell you, yeah, I love, love, love the headlights. We got the marker, everything over here. I didn't even realize this. Hush. Hey. I need to get, no, you don't talk over me. I need to get another wheel well. So we'll go to the junkyard because they just happened to get an E320 wagon. It's at the expensive place. I don't want to go there, but I need a wheel well. This, I think, looks fantastic. I'll get a hood hinge as well, and when you close it up, there you go. That's what it looks like. Look at how beautiful. She is ready for paint and an emblem. And finally, the final touch. A huge thank you to Ross from North Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Yes, he found these rear headrests at a pull-apart yard near where he lives. He messaged me and he said, "Do you want these?" I said, "Absolutely. Let me know how much. I'll pay for them." He said, "Nope, they're a gift because I like watching your stuff." So, yeah, this is proof. YouTube subscribers here to the Monkey Wrench Mike channel are the best in the world. So Ross, thank you very much. There's actually 3 in here. They look perfect. They work perfect. They are perfectly packed, and we're going to get them installed in the car. Because this is my car and I get to do whatever I want to do, I'm not going to install the center one because to me that kind of blocks out some of the rear view visibility. So I'm going to put the two on both sides here, and I want you to watch how nicely these go in. Look at that. They're perfect. I love them, I love them, I love them. Ross, thank you so much. You made my day. And to all those who have subscribed, thank you for watching and thank you for sending me so much stuff over the years. It's so, so, so cool. And it just makes me appreciate you that much more. And very quickly, under the tutelage of the duck, we're going to give you a quick little tour of what this car looks like right now. Look at this. We have the seat back installed. Look at the wood. Yes, like I've said before, best wood I've had in years and years and years. Here's your instrument cluster. No problems at all. No lights are on. 144,000 miles. Everything is perfect here. Once again, thank you so much for the headrests. I love it. I can now see through the back through this part right here. These seats are in perfect condition. And I have so much room to put stuff in the back of this. Okay, there is so much room back here. There's the third headrest. And if I wanted to, I could put this up here for Lola and the duck. Look how cool that is. Absolutely. Or I could hide all my stuff with this right here. Okay, look at that. It covers all of your stuff. I love the fact that that's included with this car. It's still here. After so many years, it's still here. So we are happy. That is going to do it for this video, everybody. I got to tell you, I am pleasantly surprised at my own ability to fix body damage. I haven't done a lot of that. The channel's not about me being an expert. The channel is about me showing you that you can do it as well, okay? You don't, well, it's great if you're a professional, fantastic, but you can do this stuff as well. I will still work on this a little bit. This is a little big. I'll take off the stickers, maybe move the headlight just a skosh over that way. But I got to tell you, yep, I love it, love it, love it. Love the fact that you were watching with me on this series as well, so thank you very much. Next time you see her, well, it'll be the video where she goes to paint. I think that's going to work out great. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. All right, 58%, 60%, something of my viewers aren't subscribers. So let's see if we can change that. I would appreciate that, and we will see you in the next video. This old guy needs to change clothes and he needs a shower in the worst way. So's the duck. You need a bath. You really need a bath. He stinks.